Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got a product that's going to make a big difference in your life: the locking gas cap. This little accessory is a game changer for anyone who wants to protect their vehicle from fuel theft or just wants peace of mind knowing their gas tank is secure. The locking gas cap is compatible with a huge range of vehicles, including Toyota, Honda, Nissan, Chevy, Subaru, GMC, Cadillac, Saturn, and Buick models. The list goes on and on. From the 4Runner to the Civic, from the Altima to the Silverado, this gas cap can keep your fuel safe, no matter what you drive. Not only is this gas cap compatible with a wide range of vehicles, but it's also incredibly easy to install. Don't worry about complicated instructions or difficult tools. This gas cap is designed for easy installation, so you can be back on the road in no time. So, why should you invest in a locking gas cap? Well, it's simple. This small investment can save you a lot of money in the long run. Fuel theft is a real issue, and it's not just an inconvenience. It can cost you hundreds of dollars in stolen fuel. But with the locking gas cap, you can protect your vehicle and your wallet. If you want to take control of your fuel security and protect your vehicle from theft, then the locking gas cap is the answer. So, click the link in the description below to get your hands on this must-have accessory today. Don't wait until it's too late. Invest in your peace of mind now with the locking gas cap. And hey, while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more great products and reviews. Thanks for watching.